If you're a lease driver and interested in what orientation is like here at ATS, keep watching. My name is Lindsay. I am the orientation supervisor. All of our lease drivers come to St. Cloud, Minnesota to go through orientation. Your recruiter will work with you to set up travel to get you to St. Cloud. When you check into the hotel, you'll receive a hotel packet with paperwork that is required for you to complete before coming to orientation Monday morning. On Monday morning, the ATS shuttle will pick you up from the hotel and bring you to our East Yard location in St. Cloud, just down the road from our corporate office. You will complete a drug test and/or physical. Getting a DOT physical completed and a drug test done before coming to orientation will guarantee that you will get in your truck and out on the road faster. There is a road test that is required for all drivers to complete. During that time, other drivers will be completing simulator training and Luma videos. As a lease driver, Monday morning, you will select your truck. That gives us a few days while you're learning everything we need you to learn in orientation to get your truck prepped and ready for you to roll out by the end of the week. On Tuesday, you will spend most of the day in the classroom. You'll learn about our company policy on hours of service, value-driven driving, meet one of our ATS executives, and finish out the day doing some additional Luma training and simulator training. Wednesdays are a little bit different for each division. Our van drivers do van securement training and our flatbed drivers start flatbed securement training. We also meet our driver managers over at the corporate office, so you get to know who you're working with. On Wednesday afternoon, the van drivers will get their truck, head back to the hotel, move in, get comfortable, and head out for dispatch Thursday morning. Thursday morning, our flatbed drivers come back to orientation and continue with the flatbed securement training courses. Hands-on training is essential here at ATS to make sure we all know what we're doing. On Thursday afternoon, you will get in your truck, roll back to the hotel, and get comfortable so you can go under dispatch and get your first load Friday morning. Things to bring with you when you're coming to St. Cloud for orientation. A week or two worth of clothing items that you'll need in your truck. Our goal is to get you home within the first week or two so that you can get the rest of your stuff, but make sure you're packing the essentials. Some other essential items to bring with you if you have them are your TWIC card, your passport, and your birth certificate. Flatbed drivers, if you're coming to St. Cloud, we do recommend that you bring some of your PPE gear. Again, you'll be loading out right out of St. Cloud, and we want to make sure that you have that hard hat ready to go to work. A few items to complete before orientation is to log into Clearinghouse and consent to the ATS Clearinghouse query. Along with the Clearinghouse, make sure that you have given proper notice to your previous employer that you are no longer working for them. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in working at ATS, please click the link in the description and a recruiter will reach out to you, and we'll see you in St. Cloud real soon.